Listen up, class, we're gonna learn today about collisions, physics gonna lead the way. Momentum's a topic that's crucial to know. Let's break it down clear, here we go! Momentum is mass multiplied by velocity, measured in kilogram meters per second precisely. When two objects collide, the rule remains intact. Total momentum stays constant, that's a fact. No matter if it's cars or balls in collision, isolated systems have clear precision. Total momentum before equals after. Physics truth, not just chatter. Momentum conserved, it never changes. Before and after collision rearranges. Mass times speed remains the same. Conservation of momentum, that's the game. There are types of collisions to clearly define: elastic and inelastic, keep this in mind. Elastic collisions, kinetic energy preserved. Speeds might shift, but energy is conserved. Inelastic collisions, they stick or deform. Kinetic energy lost, heat or sound is born, but momentum still stays exactly the same. It's constant throughout, remember the name. Two cars collide on a frictionless track. Momentum before is momentum back. No external forces, then it's guaranteed. Momentum conservation's always agreed. Momentum conserved, it never changes. Before and after collision rearranges. Mass times speed remains the same. Conservation of momentum, that's the game. Calculate momentum, just multiply mass by velocity. Yeah, you'll ace your class. Momentum's a vector, direction's key. Positive, negative, directionally. Initial momentum equals final indeed. If you know mass and initial speed, you'll find velocity after collisions occur. Using math equations, that's physics secure. Elastic means energy stays just as much. Elastic energy lost, deformation's touch. But no matter the collision, the rule never slips. Momentum conservation, physics fingertips. Momentum conserved, it never changes. Before and after collision rearranges. Mass times speed remains the same. Conservation of momentum, that's the game. So next time you watch two objects collide, remember momentum's on your side. Physics laws guide it.